Are you in the early stages of your Microsoft 365 development career and are looking to build something tangible for maybe your portfolio, a client, or just for yourself? We recently hosted Solutions Day 2, which covered 6 awesome solutions built by professionals inside the Microsoft 365 environment. All of these solutions are highly sought after by various businesses, which is why we hosted this event. Solutions Day 2 was one of the biggest events that we've held at the Cloud 365 Academy, proving how valuable it is to people that want to get involved in building solutions inside Microsoft 365. But I'm here to tell you that Solutions Day 2 is not the beginning and not the end of what we're offering inside of our Black Friday deal. As part of our offer, you can access all of the content that has ever existed since the launch of the Cloud 365 Academy earlier this year. And with our new subscription offer, you can take advantage of all of our future workshops, courses, classes, and our events that are coming up over the next 12 months too. So if you're interested, click the link around this video and we'll see you over there.